Hi everyone, it's Sam from 20Telly and today I'm going to show you how to create a time group on FreePBX version 16. I'm using the official FreePBX distro with the most up-to-date system and stable modules as of the 1st of February 2023. So the first thing we need to do is log in by clicking on the FreePBX administration icon and filling in the administrator username and password. When you log in, you'll be presented with the dashboard page. We're going to go up to Applications and scroll down to Time Groups. So a time group controls the destination of a call based on the time and day or date and are normally associated with time conditions, which we will cover in another video. But for now, let's go and add time group. And we're presented with a page of a couple of things to fill in. If you're not too sure what each one means, there's a question mark that you can hover over and it will give you a brief description. So the first thing we need to do is name our time group. The first one I'm going to do is your standard office hours, which are typically Monday to Friday, 9 till 5. So I'm just going to put in here, in working hours, test. So our start time, quite simply, 9 o'clock in the morning. And we're going to finish at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So our weekday start is going to be on a Monday, and our weekday finish is going to be on a Friday. So this is now set for 9 o'clock in the morning until 5 o'clock in the evening, Monday to Friday, and anything in between will also follow this rule. We don't need to put a specific month because we do just want it every single week of the year. So that's the first one, nice and simple. All we need to do now is click Submit. So that's our main office time group done. What you can also do is add your other time groups for the rest of the year if you know when you're closed for the bank holiday or Easter or Christmas, and then they're all sat there ready to be used when needed. So I'm going to add another time group and I'm going to do Christmas. So at Christmas, we're going to close the office at 12 o'clock in the afternoon on the 23rd. We're going to have a half day. So time start is going to be 12 o'clock in the afternoon. We don't need to set the day for this, but we do need to go down and set the date, which is the 23rd. And then the month is going to be December. So it's going to start at 12 o'clock in the afternoon on the 23rd of December. And we're going to be closed for the rest of the day. So we're going to go down to 23:59, so right up to the end of the day on the same date. So we've got 12 o'clock in the afternoon until 23:59 on the 23rd of December. We're now going to carry on from this because we're going to be closed on the 24th. So if we add a time, we can add another time to this time group. So the time starts, so we're carrying on from the 23rd to 23:59. So we're going to go from midnight. Again, we don't need to put the day, but we do need to put the date. So from midnight on the 24th of December, and we're going to be closed for the full 24 hours. So for the whole day, all the way up until 23:59. Now we're going to be closed on the 24th, the 25th, and the 26th. So our month day finish is going to be the 26th of December. We're then going to reopen at 9 o'clock in the morning on the 27th. So this only goes up until 23:59 on the 26th. So we need to add another time. We'll scroll down here and we're going to still be closed at midnight on the 27th. And we're going to reopen at 9 a.m. So our time finish is going to be 8:59 on the 27th of December. So if we scroll back to the top, we can have a quick look at what we've done. So we're going to close at 12 o'clock in the afternoon on the 23rd of December, and we're going to be closed for the rest of that day. We're then going to follow on, and we're going to be closed for a full 24-hour period on the 24th, the 25th, and the 26th of December. And then we're going to carry that on through until 8:59 on the 27th of December. And then after 8:59 on the 27th of December, it will then carry on and follow the normal office hours rule. So all that's left to do now is click submit. And then you can see we've got our in working hours and our Christmas. And then to apply all changes, press the apply config button in the top right hand corner. So that's everything we're going to cover today. If you found it useful, please like, comment, share. And if you want to see more like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.